Welcome to Tek Science videos. In this video, we are gonna learn what is one-hot encoding and how to implement one-hot encoding in Python. One-hot encoding is the process of representing the categorical variables as binary vectors. The label encoder is used only when there is two categorical variables, and one-hot encoder is used when there are multiple categorical variables in that particular column of the dataset. If a column of a dataset contains only two categorical variables, yes or no, then yes can be represented as 1 and no can be represented as 0. If a column of a dataset contains more than two categorical variables such as banana, apple, I, eat, often then each word is represented as shown below. In case of banana, it shows that number 1 indicates the presence of element and 0 indicates its absence. Similarly, it is given for all the remaining words. The vector dimension is calculated based on the number of words in the corpus. The given corpus contains 5 words, and hence each word is represented as a 5-dimensional vector. Therefore, the number of elements is inversely proportional to the vector dimension. The sparse representation can be understood by considering an example. If the corpus consists of 1 million words, therefore each words in the corpus consists of 1 million dimension, hence total storage is 1 billion, which is very large and inefficient. This is known as sparse representation. Let's start coding. I have already uploaded the dataset. The dataset consists of 4 columns named country, age, salary, purchased. The features country, age, salary are independent variables, and the feature purchased is the dependent variable.
Storyblocks audio.
consists of first three columns country, age and salary except purchased. The Y values consists of last column purchased. We can see that the array of X values consists of some none values and hence we can replace it by the mean value. The independent variables are encoded using one-hot encoder. In the column country the France word is represented as 1, 0, 0. The Spain word is represented as 0, 0, 1. The Germany word is represented as 0, 1, 0. You can check for the remaining words in the column. The dependent variable is encoded using label encoder. In the column purchase the word no is represented as 0. The word yes is represented as 1. You can check for the remaining words in the column. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for upcoming videos. Until then, this is Tek Science signing off. See you soon.